Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and your phone has enough battery. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap Settings. This begins the stop process. You need to know whether you want to stop cloud backups only or both cloud and local media backups. If you choose cloud, make sure your Google Drive or iCloud account is accessible. This first action removes the backup trigger and prepares you for the deeper setting changes that follow. You now disable cloud backups inside WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Tap Backup to Google Drive or iCloud and change the frequency to Never. This stops future automatic uploads. Make sure to tap Account and pick None, or revoke WhatsApp access from your Google or Apple account settings if you want extra certainty. Once set, confirm by checking the last backup timestamp. It should no longer auto-update. This prevents chat media from being pushed to cloud storage. To finish, stop local media from being collected. Disable media visibility in chats and turn off automatic media, download in data and storage usage. Then delete any existing backups from Google Drive or iCloud and remove local backup files from the WhatsApp folder using a file manager. If things go wrong, check app permissions, storage and account access, and re-verify your cloud account settings. Sometimes revoking and re-granting access clears stuck backups. Finally, restart your phone to ensure changes persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.